Hey guys, Brian here with Limelight Detailing in Meridian, Idaho, and today I'm going to do a quick demonstration about how we remove stains on the inside of your door panels. This is something that we constantly deal with when we're cleaning the inside of a car, especially on a light interior like this Honda CRV that we're working on today. This is kind of a tan or beige interior, and this is a kind of an odd type of material. It's like it's suede is really it's like a synthetic suede is the closest that I can come to guessing the type of material. It's not real leather, and it's not fabric. It's really like a suede. And so cleaning this can be a little bit of a challenge if you don't know what you're doing. So what we do in order to get these stains out, and as you can see, the rest of the car is actually really clean, but you know, when you're getting out of your car, in and out of your car, this area right here can get really dirty. So what we use is Chemical Guy's lightning fast stain extractor, and we have it mixed in to our steam cleaning solution. And as we clean this, we have some chemical that is blowing out into the steam, and so it's kind of diluting it and mixing it together as we're steam cleaning to extract this. So one thing, a quick tip, whenever you're cleaning suede or any special material like leather or any type of nice fabric like that, you want to be sure not to use too much moisture, because you can really damage the fabric, and you can bring some discoloration, and it can make it look really bad. So how we clean it is we just take the upholstery tool of our steam cleaner, and we wrap just a microfiber towel. Make sure you use a clean one, obviously. Wrap it around the top here, and we're just going to use some heat to clean this up. So once again, we're really just trying to use as little moisture as possible to get this dirt off of this. All right. And so it'll take a little bit of time for that to dry up a little bit, but really that's the best way to clean it, is just using a little bit of the chemical. We use if you're using just a spray bottle and an agitator brush, and you don't have the option of a steam cleaner, you can dilute that the Chemical Guy's stain extractor about 10-to-1 into a water bottle, spray it onto there and agitate it, and then a lot of times you can just blot it off as well. However, a steam cleaner is going to be the best way to clean it. So if you have some odd upholstery, or you have some cleaning that you need to have done on the inside of your car, you can give us a call at 208-391-3455 or visit our website at limelightdetail.com. Thanks a lot.